Hello everyone, I am Rupam, a practicing advocate, a legal consultant, and your advisor for all your legal queries. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madam Attorney, and kindly like and share this video. As a startup or a small medium business, whenever we have a conflict or a dispute, we get confused which way of dispute resolution is profitable and better for maintaining business relations, litigation, arbitration, or mediation. In this video, I'm going to talk about some basic difference between arbitration and mediation so that you can choose your forum wisely next time whenever you have any dispute. Now, arbitration is a process for the settlement of disputes out of court between parties to a contract by a neutral third party, which we call as arbitrator. In arbitration, disputes are resolved with the binding effect by a person or persons acting judicially in private instead of the national court of law. That would have jurisdiction but by an agreement of the parties. The arbitrator here would have a jurisdiction but by an agreement of the parties. This agreement of the parties is the very basis of arbitration. You can only opt for arbitration if you have agreed to arbitration in your main agreement or have signed a separate arbitration agreement with the other party. You can also choose to resolve disputes through arbitration after your dispute has arisen, but only by mutual consent of both parties. Mediation is another way to resolve a conflict without referring to court. It is formal, voluntary, and collaborative process whereby a neutral third party called the mediator assists the parties in achieving their stated objectives through specific communication and negotiation methods. As a party-focused process, it focuses on the interest, needs, and rights of the parties. It is important to know that the mediator does not have that authority to give binding decisions like in arbitration. You can even choose for mediation of such disputes which are already pending before any court by requesting that court. If you want to know the benefit of choosing this method of mediation, watch the video till the end. Now, according to Supreme Court judgment in Booz Allen versus SBI Home Finance, all disputes are not arbitrable, meaning by where you cannot choose an arbitration as a means of dispute resolution even if both parties have agreed to arbitration. Disputes which fall out of category of arbitration are criminal offences, guardianship matters, insolvency and winding up proceedings, matters of probate, letters of administration, succession certificate, eviction proceedings, patents, trademarks, copyrights, antitrust or competition laws, bribery or corruption laws, and obviously fraud. For all these matters, you will have to approach the court, and litigation is the only means of dispute resolutions of such laws. But mediation, on the other hand, does not have these many limitations. Apart from criminal matters, rest all the matters can be mediated if both parties agree for mediation. This is because mediation is a form of settlement, and if both parties can agree to settlement in any dispute whatsoever, then that shall be the end of the matter. Now, what are the similarities between arbitration and mediation? We cannot resolve criminal disputes by both arbitration and mediation. For all criminal disputes, we cannot choose arbitration and mediation but have to approach our local district courts. Then for both arbitration and mediation hearings, they are confidential since they are held privately between private parties, unlike open court hearings. These hearings are not available for general public. The most important feature and similarity between arbitration and mediation is that we can choose our own arbitrator or mediator, unlike court where we cannot choose the judge before whom our matter is listed or who decides our case. Not all arbitrations but only fast track arbitrations and mediation can be considered as cost and time effective. Mediation definitely is cost and time effective. Now, what is the difference between them? Arbitration is a complex procedure as compared to mediation. Mediation is fairly simple process as there is no due legal process to be followed in mediation to resolve your conflicts. Why is arbitration so complex? I am going to explain you in my next video. Generally, all arbitration hearings are time consuming just like court hearings. It takes about 2 to 3 years for dispute to end in arbitration. But mediation can be resolved in any number of days with consent of both parties. Arbitration process is very expensive as compared to mediation. I will talk about the cost involved in arbitration and mediation in a separate video. Arbitrator's decision is final and binding just like court judgment, but a mediator's decision is not binding. parties are open to either follow it or deny it. Another difference between them is that in arbitration, one party is a winner and the other party is a loser. But in mediation, both parties can be winner. For example, in a dispute between a tenant and a landlord, if that dispute goes for arbitration, then the arbitrator has to either decide in the favor of tenant or in the favor of landlord, depending on the facts of that case. But in mediation, the mediator can settle the dispute by reaching a middle point where where the tenant can have where the mediator can decide that the tenant pays lesser rent or gets more time to pay the rent, and the landlord gets to retain the tenancy. That way both can be a winner. One of the procedural difference between arbitration and mediation is that in arbitration, neither of the party can enter into a private conversation with the arbitrator, meaning by that every discussion, decision or meeting has to be with and by mutual consent of both parties. Whereas in mediation, the good part is that since mediator's role is to assist the parties in reaching a settlement, so either party can personally meet or contact the mediator in the absence of the other party. Sometimes this way, when mediator is approached separately by both disputed parties, he is able to mediate or assist in settlement of dispute easier and faster, as he can convey with expertise the stand of both the parties. Mediation provides an important, viable pathway for organizations that who wants to end tensions quickly, cheaply, and with the minimum amount of public attention. While arbitration remains a good alternative to litigation when it comes to analysis, representation, and enforceable decisions. For organizations looking to establish a formal alternative dispute resolution mechanism as a habitual resource, mediation is an excellent option. However, the required investment of time, money, and legal expertise may still be substantial. If you are unable to reach settlement and want to resolve your disputes within 6 months, then you can obviously opt for a fast track arbitration under Section 29B of Arbitration and Conciliation Act. You can also ask me in the comments below about this new section. What will you choose, mediation or arbitration? Do let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't want to miss more information on arbitration, then subscribe to my YouTube channel now. You can also raise your doubts and queries by messaging me on LinkedIn or email. The links are given here. Keep watching Madam Attorney for updating your legal knowledge.